Hey there friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a spooky treat for the fall season. We're going to be making these really cute pizza skulls. They are absolutely delicious, super easy to make. I'm going to be showing you how to make it with pre-made pizza dough. I do have a recipe if you want to make your own from scratch. Now let's get started on this recipe. You're going to need your skull pan for this. I got this at Michael's, as well as some dough. I got these at Trader Joe's. You can make yours from scratch. I'll leave a recipe below. Some cheese, pepperoni, and some pizza sauce. You can also use any other fillings that you would like for this. We're going to start by lightly flouring our counter and working the dough a little bit. You don't need too much flour. This works better if the dough is a little more sticky than not. I'm going to take that, place it in the cavity. You don't need any oil or anything on the pan. This is a pretty good non-stick pan that I'm using. It also can depend on what pan you are using. I place the dough on top and then just take any air bubbles out and start by filling it up with some pizza sauce. Then I'm going to get my cheese and place that in there as well. You don't want to overfill because it will expand and your stuffing will come out. So here I'm adding a little bit more pepperoni and cheese. I did overfill these a little bit, but it's fine. It gives it a creepy look after you're done baking them. I pinched both sides together as best as I could to seal this up. You can go ahead and set your oven to 425 as well. These will bake for about 12 minutes. They will start to get a little more golden brown once they're ready. And then I'm also rolling out my plain dough that I'm using. I used the herb one as well as this plain one. Here I am rolling it out, placing it in the cavity, and again getting all those air bubbles out. Once again, place your fillings in there. So I'm starting with the pizza sauce, cheese, and pepperoni, just doing a classic take on this. And then once all your fillings are in there, just start pinching it again and sealing it up. Once it's all sealed up and you got it all closed up, just give it a good little squish back into that cavity just to get that form again. And bake these for about 12 minutes. Baking time will vary on your oven. And here is how they look. I hope you enjoyed making these. These are so delicious and so fun to make for Halloween time. Let me know if you're going to be making them. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite Halloween time treat is. Don't forget to like the video, hit subscribe as well, and until next time, stay sweet.